When traveling with your little one in a car, you need to place them on a rear-facing car seat to ensure their safety. Moreover, you'll also need the best baby car mirror to keep an eye on your child and ensure that they have a hassle-free travel time. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend best baby car mirror for safest drive 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Macally brand. Drive comfortably and at ease knowing you have a clear view of your child while being able to simultaneously focus on the road with our backseat mirror for rear-facing car seat. As parents, our child's safety is our top priority. Therefore, our car baby mirror is designed with Shatterproof acrylic and offers an extra wide view. This baby car seat mirror has dual adjustable straps that provide secure hold for bumpy roads, while the swivel ball joint offers 360 degrees rotation for the best viewing angles. Install and removal takes seconds, making it easy to transfer between cars. The baby car mirror for back seat rear-facing applications requires no assembly. Simply attach and enjoy. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the Munchkin brand. When you're on the go with precious cargo, nothing beats glancing in the rear view and seeing your baby's sweet face. With little ones in rear-facing car seats, the right back seat mirror delivers added peace of mind while you drive. The Brica 360 pivoting baby inside mirror lets you see your rear-facing baby with ease. Its 360-degree pivot mechanism allows you to find the perfect angle, while the extra-large size provides a superior distortion-free view. With durable seatbelt material straps, this car seat mirror is as secure as can be, while matching your car's interior, too. It's also shatter-resistant and crash-tested, ensuring the safest journey possible. Time to hit the road with the sweetest view. Number 3 in our top is from the Itomoro brand. Safety driving our baby mirror can be placed on the center console or windshield of the car, offering a crystal clear view of your baby. You don't have to take your eyes off the road to see your little one, it's the watchful helper you need. Every trip. Every time. Driving with the baby just got easier. Night vision high-def camera with night vision give you a clear view in low-light conditions without turning on interior lights or disturbing your baby, help you eradicate insecurities and worries. Easily mount baby car mirror to the headrest in minutes, no tools needed, plug the power cord to the cigarette lighter, install the LCD monitor, then it will work. The camera base is newly upgraded, which can rotate 360 degrees up, down, left, and right. Number 2 in our top is from the Enovoe brand. We are a family-owned company with kids of our own, and so we understand how difficult it can be to find the perfect car seat mirror that is safe, lightweight, and built to last. Look no further. Enovoe's car seat mirror is shatterproof and built to stand the test of time. The rear view backseat mirror is a breeze to assemble. Simply follow the included instructions and adjust as necessary. Once installed, the mirror stays in place. It won't vibrate, shake, or move around. You'll wonder how you ever managed with this backseat mirror. An amazing accessory that will have you breathe a sigh of relief knowing you can comfortably keep an eye on your little one while driving. The number 1 product is part of the Kia Babies brand. Drive with assurance with Kia Babies baby car mirror that helps you view your baby in the baby rear-facing seat. Our Convex baby mirror for car provides a super clear 360 degrees wide and tall line of sight. When it comes to your baby's safety, there is no compromise. This baby car seat mirror is safety certified, having undergone and passed a stringent quality and crash test. We designed our baby car mirror to stay securely in place during car rides. The reinforced dual straps and stabilizer holder ensure stability, while the rotational ball hinge allows a 360 degrees viewing angle. Monitor your rear-facing infant from the car seat mirror in the comfort of your driver's seat. This baby car mirror is one of the must-have baby car accessories for modern parents. Which baby mirror would you like to buy for your car? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.